Ever wondered how to compile all your recommendations into one place? Imagine a tool that brings together your favorite restaurants, articles, parks, local services, activities, and professionals into one beautifully organized list. That's where Benable comes in. Benable is not just a tool, it's a lifestyle, a revolution in how we handle recommendations. With Benable, you no longer need to search through countless emails, messages, or notes to find that one recommendation you received months ago. It's all there in one place waiting for you. Imagine you're a foodie who loves to explore new restaurants. With Benable, you can create a list of all the eateries you have been recommended, categorize them by cuisine or location, and even add your own notes for future reference. Or perhaps you're a travel enthusiast, always on the lookout for exciting local activities or services. Benable allows you to compile all these recommendations, making them easily accessible for your next adventure. But Benable doesn't stop there. It's a platform that values the power of sharing. You can share your lists with friends, family, or even your blog followers. Be it a list of professional services you swear by, or a collection of your favorite articles, sharing has never been easier. Benable is also a champion of the underdogs. Many of the things people recommend don't have affiliate links. This means those hidden gems, those local businesses, and those professionals who offer excellent service get the recognition they deserve without being overshadowed by big corporations. Benable is easy to use with a clean and intuitive interface, making the process of compiling and organizing recommendations a breeze. So why not simplify your life? Why not bring a sense of order to the chaos of recommendations? Embrace the power of organization, the joy of sharing, and the satisfaction of supporting the underdogs. Try Benable today and simplify your life. Experience the ease and convenience of having all your recommendations in one place. It's time to Benable your life.